Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick review of the Rhino Shield bumper case for your Galaxy S8 and Galaxy S8 Plus. And what I have right here is the bumper case for your Galaxy S8 for the Galaxy S8 Plus. And the first thing that impressed me was how tough the case is. It is not a rubber case, it is a hard plastic case, but it is still flexible. And the texture is a matte finish. It is smooth, so it is easy to take it in, to put it in and take it out of your pocket. Not like this case though. This case from Spigen. It feel a bit sticky. So every single time when I try to put the phone inside my pocket, I have to push it hard or wiggle the phone around. But this one, it just slide right in. And you have the cutout for your ports, the speaker, the microphone, the charging port, and the headphone jack. And this is the power button. And the two volume rocker and the Bixby button. And it is very easy to put the case on. All you have to do is just put the bottom in first, just like they recommend, then pop the top, and that's it. The case is on. And as you can see, that the case does not go over the curved edge of the phone. However, at the top and the bottom of the phone, the case does have a bit of a lip to lift up the phone. Same goes for the bottom. The top is higher than the middle. The top and the bottom are higher than the middle. And at first it feels a bit uncomfortable to hold because this is the Plus, and this does add some width to the phone, and my hand is small, so it is a bit uncomfortable for me to hold. But for now, after a few days of using it, I get used to the feeling of the phone with the bumper case on, and it feels very sturdy. And of course, since it is a bumper case, you have a large open at the back, which will show off the design of your phone or the skin. And we'll talk about we'll talk about the skin later, because this case does have some problem with skin. And there are a few things that I don't like. First is the flimsy side. Before it just slide right out. It just slide right out if I just push the side. So every single time before I put the case on, I have to press the side so that it gets smaller, and it will hug the phone better. And I think you should do that too if you're thinking of buying one. And the next one is how smooshy the button feels. It's not clicky without the case. And let me show you how the button sounds like without the case. I don't know if you can hear this, but it does make a noise when you click. Yeah. But with the bumper case on, it's just like the feeling is just very light. Sometimes it's just hard to tell if the button is pressed or not. And I kind of get used to the feeling, so it is not a big deal for me. And so those are two things that I don't like about the case. And the last thing that I don't like about the case, so there are actually three, not two, is the texture. The texture is a bit sticky. So it is not a big deal for me. And so those are two things that I don't like about the case. And the last thing, and the last thing that I don't like about the case, so there are actually three, not two. And the last thing that I don't like about the case, so there are actually three, not two. So the last thing that I don't like about the case is it's not compatible with a D brand skin. Okay, so I purchased two D brand skin, and of course I wasted the first one because I dropped the phone. I have to send in for repair. So I put the second one on, and okay, so after I put the second one on, when I tried to put the case on, right? So the first thing I did was push the bottom in, and once I put the bottom in, it will just push against the skin and lift the skin up. And just to let you know that I do use hair dryer, and I heat up the side of all four sides of the phone and press the skin down. But every single time I have to every single time when I put the case on, it will just push the skin back up, because the case is just hug like tight at the bottom and the top. And when I was managed to put the case on the phone with the skin, it will the button feel even more smooshy. At that point, I can't even feel the button at all. So the only way for me to feel the button is to take off the skin, and with the skin, the side becomes flimsy, and it will show up like this. It will show a bit of the mid frame of the phone and the button. Yeah, so I think I just leave the phone like this with open back and open front, no tempered glass. And as for tempered glass, I bought a Tech Armor tempered glass screen protector for the S8 Plus, and when I tried to put it on, it doesn't fit the case at all. So this case, I mean, I can't blame the design of the case. If you let me blame someone, I will blame Samsung for designing the phone that is so hard to make accessory that is compatible with the phone. Okay, so that's it for this video, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.